How to share any Excel document as PDF to Gmail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document as PDF to Google Mail easily. So all what you have to do, go to Excel and choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one and click on it. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this little icon. After you click on it, choose this second option, share as attachment. Choose PDF right here. And now wait a few seconds. And here you go. It will give you those options. Click on Gmail right here in the corner. And everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.